this is wmpyr. It is the month of Halloween. I'm super excited, so I'm wearing my Dracula t-shirt. By the way, I am looking forward to seeing the new Dracula movie, hopefully sometime this week. Alright, so today's lesson may seem quite flashy, but that is never something that I care about. That's not a focus in any way, shape, or form. The focus here is momentum. That is our main concentration for today, is learning how to manipulate momentum. Why is it important to learn momentum? Basically for two reasons. Number one is you become more efficient, and you also gain the ability to increase some power. Two very important words, efficiency and power. How could that not be useful for combat? So to get started for the first technique slash exercise, first we're going to go back to this simple slash right here, okay? You just come up right here and then you slash diagonally down, all right? So right now, right hand, right side, upper right to bottom left, just like that, and come back. Super basic move, right? Okay, so now that you've been doing this slash right here where you're just coming, boom, a diagonal slash that way, all right, now let me just show you the actual technique. The actual technique looks like this, just like that. So from here, boom, boom, like this, just like so. All right, so now let me explain it. What we're doing here is, normally this is the starting position that we want, up here, just like this. But instead of here, we're going to start from here, okay? This can actually be a defensive movement right here, where I'm doing this kind of action right here and protecting my midsection, okay? But it doesn't matter how you get to this point. The focus for today is linking this angle, which is a negative angle in this case, because this is the opposite from this, okay? It's not in alignment with this motion right here, up here. This is down here like this with the stick pointing down. So I actually have to change it and bring it back up here and then connect it into the move that I want right there. So there's a lot of work that you have to do to put it together. And that work creates the momentum. It's like a counterbalance. So from here, I wind and I slash right there. So I want you guys to try it. Just from here, you're just going to leave your arm dangling like this, okay? So it's just kind of like this. So from here, it's just a natural position. You're just going to bring it up and slash. It's this winding motion like that. You're going to notice that from this position where my arm is just hanging like this, I raise it a little bit, raise it, and that gives me the momentum to come into and start the diagonal slash, and then I do the diagonal slash, and then I park right here to the side. Okay, so park like so. So once again, from here, boom, like this. And get some reps with this, have some fun. The only way to get good at this is to put in the time and practice it over and over for a long period of time. So add this to your arsenal and try to practice this daily. Okay, just get the feel of it. Boom, just like that. Boom, boom. So slower, like so. Boom. So from here, we're going to slightly come up and include that diagonal slash right here. Everything's compact though. Everything's compact. Boom. And you're doing that slash and you park just the same. So it's still going from right top to left. It's just that you're adding this kind of motion. Very curvy, very wavy motion, because waves, I mean, that's what you're talking about when you're talking about a buildup of power and momentum. All right, now the concept to this, basically, if you're going to hit somebody with a stick, you just hit them like this, but if you want to hit them hard, you're going to bring a stick back right here. You're going to gain some momentum here, and then you're going to swing, right? That's the general, everybody does it, okay? So instead of just hitting from here, you're going to go all the way here, and you're going to really slug that way, okay? So the idea is the same as that. It's just that instead of going all the way back here, that extra distance, so instead of hitting from here, when you bring it this much further back, this distance that you got, this is like extra running for momentum. Now you're running, getting a head start, and you're trying to get extra momentum. So this extra length. You're increasing the length of your trajectory, all right? So this length right here, we're just putting it, instead of coming from here, we're adding it here. So this, all this extra, this wavy stuff, that's that extra distance. So we're just putting it, instead of going back this way, we're putting it vertical. It's like so. Okay, so when you start putting this with the heaven 6, right? When you start adding this to the heaven 6, okay, you're gonna add it just like so. Okay, so from right here, boom, 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 just like that. So instead of just coming straight in for the heaven 6 motion like this, you're actually going to come and create that negative angle right here. How do we do it? This is where the fan motion comes in. So you forcefully create that motion right there, boom. And that fan motion leads to what we were just doing, where we build momentum, and then you can continue to the heaven 6 right here. Fan motion, and that takes you right there. So thank you for watching, and take care, folks.